Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Talal's first Section 8 rental property. Guys, Talal bought this house for $55,000. We've done a ton of work in here. I'm gonna put some pictures in here as well right now, and I want you to see what it looked like. I also want you to understand we put a brand new roof on it. We did a lot of work on the exterior, a lot of exterior paint. We did, I think, 8 or 9 new windows here, and then every aspect of the inside of this house we've redone. So flooring, walls, doors, new kitchen, new bathroom, you name it, we did it. Come on in and we'll talk about it a little bit. So guys, pretty drastic transformation compared to what it looked like before. And one of the biggest things that we will do when we come into these units is we have to make sure, number one, that and we talk about this all the time, that the layout is suitable for what we're trying to achieve. Number two, how functional is it? And this house had a good layout, so we didn't touch the layout. It is a 3, 1.5, and we're good with that. What it also is going to need is the right tenant, and that is what a lot of people try and rush through. And that is debatably the most important part of this thing. So this house going to rent for between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. All-in construction costs here were $50,000, including the exterior and all the interior work with everything that was done here. So all new flooring, new walls, tons of electrical updates, plumbing updates, new roof, you name it, we did it. And it's just a beautiful house. So guys, as we come through here, immediately off of this main living room, we have bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. We have a brand new bathroom here that we redid, brand new tile in the shower. All this was done by one of our guys who is a phenomenal bathroom guy. All new tile, new tub, new toilet, new shower, plumbing behind it, everything brand new. All new LVP flooring, new subfloor underneath. Everything here new as well. This was an old window. We only didn't replace 3 windows in this house. That's one of them. Brand new window here. New outlets as well. We did some duct work here, and just super nice. So really thrilled about how this came out, and being able to walk into bedroom 2, but being able to buy a house that is so distressed that we can buy for a short amount of money, be into it for around $100,000 and rent it out for between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. It's just insane. The numbers are crazy. And when you have the right contracting team do the work, and you have the right property management company that has since already come in, photographed the unit and has it up on market, there's nothing that's missed. And as my clients, they don't have to be constantly on top of everything, making sure that everything is, all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. That's what your team does for you. And we understand that sometimes you can't always be on top of everything, and you might not live in this area, you might not live in this country. It doesn't matter. Everything you need facilitated, we can do. You can choose how involved you want to be, or if you want to be extremely involved, or not involved at all. We can facilitate whatever that might be. So this is a really good example of that. During construction, Talal was able to come down here, which was great. So back in the living room, guys, we have a really nice sized dining room. And we really toyed around with the idea of possibly saying, okay, let's create an extra bedroom in here. But what we ended up doing was we left it as an original 3-bedroom. And we did that because we didn't want to sacrifice this great space. This is the kind of space that sometimes you might look at and say, okay, well, we can move some hallways around and we can make this a 4-bedroom. But the way that this house flows, it just made more sense to leave it as a big dining room. So we have a lot of natural light coming in. Again, brand new window right there, all new flooring in here too, and new light fixtures up, new, we redid all the ceilings and everything in here too. So everything in here, guys, is built for the tenant experience. And not only are we making decisions that are going to be based on our dollar and our cash flow and our value, but the tenant experience. And when a tenant walks in here, they say, wow, it smells great, it's super clean, it's super nice. We want to move in here and we want to live here. So as we keep walking through, we get into the kitchen. Kitchen came out great. The only thing we need to do left in here is we have a hood vent that is on back order, so that should be in very soon. All new countertops, new sink and everything, new cabinets. So we're in great shape with this place. It looks so nice. Feedback on this unit so far has been incredible. And then we move towards the back half of the house where this is bedroom 3. You can see it from the hallway of bedrooms 1 and 2. This would be your master. You have a really nice half bath off of this room here. You have your closet in here as well. And we're just really thrilled with how this came out. This is one of the only other windows that we didn't swap out, and we're getting all this trim touched up as well. So on the back half of the house, we also did some work. We ended up, there was an old lean-to that we rebuilt on the back of the house to make it look really good, to add a little bit more value, repainted the whole foundation, including the chimney, and from the outside it looks really good too. So guys, really thrilled about this house. I love it. I love how it turned out. It looks so good. And when you put a house on the market and it gets a ton of attention, new exterior steel door here as well, but when you put a home on the market and it gets a lot of attention, it doesn't always mean you're gonna find a tenant right away or the right tenant right away. This is a long-term game. This is not about short-term rapid wealth. You can't buy a Section 8 house and then hop in a brand new Ferrari. It's just not how it works. You have to be realistic. You gotta be smart about how you take on debt. You gotta be smart about what you buy. And most importantly, the thing you have to be smartest about is who you go on this journey with. Because if you go on the journey with the wrong people, it's gonna be a quick journey and you're gonna be pulling right back into your driveway because it's gonna be over before you know it. You're gonna throw money down the toilet and you're gonna lose. So if you wanna win, you wanna get the right properties, you wanna find the right people for them, and you wanna have them for a long time, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll get this thing off on the right foot. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.